Okay, Rory, we're going to show everybody how to play a cylinder on Grandpa Ernie's old 1905 Edison cylinder player that I just finished refurbishing. Well, we choose a record, carefully take it out, make sure your hands are clean, take it out of the cylinder. You have to make sure that a couple of things, that the lever that drops the reproducer is in the up position, and then we release the gate, swing it open, slide the record on the mandrel, snug it just a little bit, doesn't have to be too tight, close the gate, then we come around this side and start the cylinder turning. Might have to crank it a few times to make sure there's enough spring tension inside. And then we line it up with the beginning of the disc, or the cylinder. Really started at the beginning with the announcement.
Played by the Edison military band.
Well, you better not get near that. Might get your nose swiped by a belt. Then to stop it, you flip the lever, stops the cylinder from spinning. Lift the reproducer lever upward, release the gate, and push the cylinder from the end to release it, slide it off, and back in the case. And that's how they played their music in 1905 or earlier.